black community, at least it used to be. And people in New York, Brooklyn say motherfucker.
Yes.
Yes.
Still.
One day I came out of the clinic, and there was some young people passing, and they were the motherfucker, the motherfucker, the motherfucker, mother. So my first reaction is, oh my God. The second reaction, if a word or a phrase is used with high frequency, there has to be a reason behind it. So I said to myself, in the system of racism, white supremacy, there are 5 people categories. Man, woman, boy, girl, baby. Who is the man? I said, here comes the man, you all. Why are you all so quiet?
And white man.
The man is the white man. Any other male has 4 choices. Black men call historically, don't call me no boy. Is that right?
Right.
The white supremacists say, okay, you got 3 choices. Woman, girl, or baby. It used to be that woman and girl were out. Baby was in. How many black ladies have called a black man that they are highly familiar with baby? Y'all better tell me. See, lying to yourself about that. You read the book. How many gentlemen have called a lady that they're familiar with mama? Hey, mama, can I ride with you? Let's get a witness. How many gentlemen have called the place where they sleep a crib? Are you following this?
Still do.
Man who calls himself baby, calls the woman he sleeps with mama, calls the place where he sleeps a crib, will call himself what? A motherfucker. Oh. Are you all with me?
Yeah.
Now my mother, bless her soul, my mother was a Chicago public school teacher. So this is some time ago. She's deceased now. But she called up, I'm in Washington, she's calling from Chicago. Hi, Mom, hi. My mother said, hi, Francis. She said, I heard that you said that word in public. And I said, Mom, what? What? You know. I said, no, I don't. Mom, what? What? She said, Maryland Farmer. I had never heard that before, but, I said, Mom, don't worry. It's a political expression. How so? Man who calls another man the man and calls himself baby. The power of a man compared to the power of a baby. Whose power? Politics, political means the power relationship between people. Nobody has to feel bad. This is the system that we're talking about. The system of racism, white supremacy has to take power from the black male if there is going to be white genetic survival. on with me?
Yes, that's right.
See now, if we begin to understand this, so that we understand what we are dealing with, then we can begin to have choices about what we're going to do on the black side of the chess